Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVAX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where all these lines are coming from. And at this point, I'm just going to do some house cleaning and get rid of all those. Sure, they still pertain. They're just not relevant, and I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But really, it's not totally ruined, but in most situations, as far as what people, I think would agree at, as far as this big old movement was concerned, yeah, that was what we would call just a dead cat bounce. There wasn't any sort of genuine power behind it. There wasn't any sort of true strength. What gives me the right to say that? Well, hopefully we can all agree that if there was some sort of true strength behind it, the price would at least be making some sort of progress forward and not going back to where it was. And when you look at where the price closed today, so keep in mind at one point the price was up there, but after today the price closed right down here at that point. And then, you correspond that over here with where the price has, been previously. Is it all the way down here to these previous lows? No, but like I said, for general sake, I think we can all agree that it's essentially right back inside of the channel where it was before that big explosive move happened. Now, am I saying that another big move can never ever happen? I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying that we got the answer to the logical question of, wow, that was a really good move. Is this the start of something bigger? Is there some genuine power behind it? No, that was just a good old-fashioned dead cat bounce, and that's just kind of what happened, what brings about in the market every now and then. Now, as far as going into next week, where are some of these levels of support and resistance at? Initial level of support is nothing fancy other than the fact that the bleeding finally stopped today at 53 cents. So 53 will be that initial area of support in case the price just crashes down through that one. After that, the next key overarching level would be down there right around the 50-cent mark. As far as levels of resistance are concerned on any sort of bounce, first key level to watch is going to be that pink line right there, the 200 period simple moving average. If the price can break up through there, then the next level would be that 50 period, which on my chart is being denoted there by the purple line. So kind of back to the drawing board in some senses. The price definitely made a great move this week, but now it's essentially given back all its gains, but we'll see if the bulls can turn things around or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.